To begin this exercise, I'll use coordinate input techniques to create a simple 3-line drawing. I'll start by clicking on the Home tab on the ribbon and into the Draw panel. I'll click on the Line command to activate it and move the mouse into the drawing area. AutoCAD now prompts me to specify the first point. I'll type in $5,5. This places the start of the draft at this exact coordinate. With the first point established, I can place the next point relative to it by typing in at instead of pound 0,6. This way, the point will be added 6 units above the first point, rather than 6 units above the origin. The next coordinate that I'll type in is at 15, 0. And the last coordinate will be at 0, -6. Now that I've created the basic draft using a coordinate system, I'll switch over to this other draft and use draft settings to create a basic draft. In the drawing area, there are these 4 circles on the left-hand side that are not connected with lines. I want to connect these circles in the same order that the circles are connected by on the right. I'll begin with the bottom left circle and work my way clockwise to connect the rest of these circles. I'll activate the Line tool from the Draw panel. When I move my mouse over the first circle, the pointer doesn't snap to the center of the circle. In order to make the pointer snap to the middle of this circle, I'll make sure my drafting settings are switched on. I'll make sure to turn on Object Snaps. Then click on this arrow to show the Object Snap options. I'll make sure the Center Snap option is selected and am ready to draw. With the drafting settings enabled, I can now see that the pointer snaps to the center of this circle when my mouse is hovered over it. I can begin to connect these lines and use the draft settings to make sure the lines begin and end in the center of the circles.